MarkEZ, automatic measuring and marking system. Attaches to any striping machine, automatic measurements, no bending over. We program the device to put a dot every 2 feet. No measuring tapes, let MarkEZ do the work for you. MarkEZ will fit on any striping machine, accuracy is spot on. No more measuring tapes, bending over, installs in minutes. 2 to 3 times faster than conventional methods. Call to order 8177033782. Email burns.const11@gmail.com. Ever wished you could lay out a parking lot in a snap? Meet MarkEZ, the ultimate game changer for parking lot striping. No more fumbling with measuring tapes or losing your place. With MarkEZ, you just set your preset distances, and it automatically marks those dots for you 30% faster. Can you believe that? It attaches to any striping machine, making your life so much easier. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. The user-friendly programming display means no more human errors. It's like having a little assistant right by your side, but way more reliable. If you're in the parking lot striping game, you absolutely need to check this out. Ready to elevate your efficiency? Click that link and grab your MarkEZ today. You won't regret it.
Hello, I'm here to talk to you about MarkEZ, our new product, the automatic measuring marking device. I'm going to explain a few of the components and how it works. First of all, you have a wheel right here. You have an encoder. The encoder tells the computer display up top how far this wheel is rolling. So whenever you reach a preset distance that you set on the display, there's a mechanism in here that will fire, hit the tip of the can, and cause a dot to be put on the ground. This is all made of aluminum, 1/4 inch. There's 2 pieces here. One mounts to your rod, and it is very sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And then the other piece of the bracket mounts to the first piece. There is a guard around the wheel to protect it in case somebody walks by and wants to kick it or something. This is your can. It's very easy to take off. All you do is unscrew here, pull it up, pull it out, change it out, whatever you need to do. This bracket can be adjusted 1.5 inches up or 1.5 inches down, depending on what type of rig you have. Your bar may be higher or lower. And this one can also be adjusted back here, up or down. So it'll fit any parking lot striper on the market. Old ones, new ones, anything. All you do is put the distance in the display and roll, and it'll put a dot on the ground every time that measurement comes around. Thank you. Have a good day.